let's look at this graph. Circle O is externally tangent to circle P. So circle O and circle P tangent here. Circle Q is circumscribed about circle O and P so that it is tangent to both O and P. So circle Q circumscribes both of the little circles tangent with O and P. Circle O has radius 18. Circle O has radius 18. Circle P has radius 9. This is 9. Points A and B lie on Q such that chord AB is tangent to circle O and P. So this chord A and B lies on circle Q and they're tangent to the little circles inside. And the centers of O and P lies on a diameter of Q. So the center of Q is here. The question is, what is the square of the length of chord AB? Square of the length of AB. So when people asking about a square of a length, normally you would guess that the Pythagorean theorem is somehow related, right? So first, let's label a little bit about the information we know. So this is circle O, this is circle P. The radius of circle O is 18, the radius of circle P is 9, and Q, center of Q is somewhere here, right? And then they want to know the length of AB squared. So how can we create a right angle, right triangle that somehow involved AB? The easiest way is like this, right? So these will be the two radius of radii, I guess, of circle Q. And if you link Q to the middle of chord AB, this line is perpendicular to chord AB and creating two identical right angles here. And with the Pythagorean theorem, we know that y squared equals z squared minus x squared. And the z is very easy. It's pretty easy to find out. So let's list the simple facts here. AB squared equals 2 times y squared equals 4y squared. And y squared equals z squared minus x squared. And z, as you can see, it's a radius really of the circle Q. And it's quite easy to find out the length of z is 27. So what is the length of x? Let's find out. So remember, we know some other information here. AB is tangent to O and Q. So when you connect the center of O to the tangent point, this line is perpendicular to chord AB, right? And the length is 18. And if you link P, center of P, to the tangent point, this line is also perpendicular to line AB. And the length is 9. And both these dotted lines are in parallel to X, right? Which is also perpendicular to AB. So from these relationships, it's quite easy to find out that the length of X, right, it's kind of like closer to this length. It's kind of in like 1/3 bottom, closer to closer to OY. And the length of X is 15. So now we bring Z and X into the formula, then you have the square of AB equals 4 times Z squared minus X squared, that's the Y squared. And then we get the answer of 2016.